Welcome, dear learners. I'm Dr. Ashu Tomar. We'll be starting today's lecture on the topic Basics of Report Writing, in which we will discuss meaning, features, and importance of report writing. Let us start with the meaning. The word report has been derived from the Latin word reportere, which means to carry back. A report generally means to give an account of something seen, heard, done, etc. Basically, a business report is an orderly and objective communication of factual information that serves the purpose of the organization, because basically the events are being recorded in a systematic manner in a report. A report may be either oral or written. Oral report is simple, easy to present, but a written report is always preferred in the organization. Written reports are preferred in the organizations over the oral one because written reports are basically a written record, permanent record, which can be used as an evidence or as a record by the organization. Oral report can be denied at any time because there is not any proof. Oral reports tends to be vague, whereas a written report is always in a systematic manner because we write it, we edit it, and after that we present the ideas in a systematic manner. A written report can be referred again and again even in the future, while with the oral report it is not so. Let us come over to features of a report. Basically, report writing is an official document or a formal document, so the features of technical communication will remain same even with the report writing. Generally, accuracy, brevity, clarity. So let us start with the first one. The first feature is brevity. Brevity means concise. A report must be written in a concise manner. Main details are to be included. Irrelevant details or the information which is not related to the topic of the report must not be included. Second point is factual details. Only the facts are recorded in a report writing. It is a formal document. Irrelevant details are not to be written. In fact, they are to be avoided. Only the facts and figures as it is, they are to be written as a record. Relevance. Relevant information which is related to the topic of the report must be included. Reader orientation. We have to consider the convenience of the reader. As per their convenience, we are going to draft a report because ultimately, reader must be able to understand whatever you have written in your report. Another feature is objectivity. Objectivity means no personal element. No personal opinion is to be included in a report. It should be based on facts. As it is, we have to record the decisions, information without any manipulation. Simplicity. Simplicity basically means simple information, simple words, simple vocabulary, so that it will be easy for the receiver to understand whatever information you are providing to them. Grammatical accuracy. Grammar must be accurate, the sentences must be accurate. Grammatically they must be correct so that reader will be able to understand the correct information. There must not be any confusion. There is a proper format which is to be used. Like if a lengthy report is being written, then the format is different. If we are writing a short report, then again for that the format is different. So according to the format, we have to draft the report. We cannot draft the report as per our convenience. एक proper format है जो हमें follow करना पड़ेगा जब भी हम report लिखते हैं. Illustrations. We write the content, but along with that, we illustrate the complex information with the help of graphs, pie charts. तो उनका डिटेल्स भी आपको इलस्ट्रेशंस में लिखना है, आपको यूज़ करना है, जिससे कि जो आपका डेटा है, इंफॉर्मेशन है, वो सिंप्लीफाई हो सके ऑडियंस के लिए, रीडर्स के लिए. Now come over to importance of report writing. The first importance is it reflects the competence of an engineer at work. higher competency level. So because report is not at all an easy task, it involves lot of analysis, collection. So the competency of an engineer improves if the person is regularly in a way is writing a report. It helps in solving problems and taking decisions. Like annual reports are there. It provides the annual image, or basically the condition of the company in the market. Another thing, if any problem is there, then we conduct a meeting and then we try to sort out those problems. For that also short reports are being maintained and recorded in the organization. तो एक डिसीजन लेने में भी भाई हमारा लॉस है, कंपनी का प्रॉफिट चल रहा है, क्या कंडीशन है, रिपोर्ट के बेसिस पे हम एनालाइज कर सकते हैं और बेटर डिसीजंस ले सकते हैं फ्यूचर के लिए. It serves as a good feedback since oral feedback is not sufficient. So even it provides the feedback, annual reports, monthly reports. We are able to know that how our company is performing. So we are able to get a feedback. It serves as a feedback in a written form. It serves as measures of progress and success of an organization. भाई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्रोग्रेस हो रही है, नहीं हो रही है, कितना सक्सेसफुल है, कितना नहीं है, वो सब हम मेजर कर सकते हैं अगर हमारे पास रिपोर्ट्स हैं. और रिपोर्ट्स रेगुलरली इसीलिए कंपनी में ड्राफ्ट की जाती हैं. Reports enable the engineers to communicate to their superior with greater confidence and accuracy. Because if you have written a report, you are more confident. Everything has been done by you in a detailed manner. You have written it yourself. You have done an intensive study. That is why when you are having the report, automatically you will be more confident in front of your senior. It sharpens the analytical skill, analytical acumenship of the engineer. Report involves lot of analytical skills. That is why the analytical skill of the person improves when he writes a report. Thank you. Comment for your doubts. Notes के लिए Telegram channel join करें. The link is given in the description box. Keep learning.